Hi, I'm Jeremy Freeman, one of the owners of Margarita Man, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a margarita in a blender at home. Our ingredients, we have pure cane sugar, lime juice, and lemon juice. Start off with 2 cups of ice. Then we are going to take 2 ounces of the mix. With margaritas, you will want to use tequila. Today we are using a silver El Jimador tequila. It's kind of one of my favorites. Let's see. You want to make sure you get all 2 full ounces in there. This is going to give you a 16-ounce drink. All of our concentrates will make 56 8-ounce pours. So let's go ahead and measure out our tequila. We'll do 2 full ounces. Here we go. One more. I like our margaritas a little strong. Let's pop this baby on. Okay, our recipe does call for triple sec. The recipe is on the side of the bottle. My preference is to use the Grand Marnier as a little bit of a topper. Look how easy that pours. So let's put a floater of Grand Marnier. Here we go. Perfect. Cheers.